Want to learn how to design a beautiful professional looking slide in PowerPoint? In this video, I will show you step by step how I created this stunning design that looks straight out of a design studio. First, create layered shape. Go to Shape, select Parallelogram, drag it onto the slide and adjust its angles. Now, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate and increase its size. Place it neatly, then duplicate again. Repeat this process to create multiple layer parallelogram for a modern dynamic background. Next, insert a picture from your device. Then send it to back. Select all shape and the image. Go to Merge Shape, Fragment, and delete the extra parts to make a clean cutout design. Select all picture fragments. Go to Picture Format, Shadow, Inner Shadow, and increase the blur for a soft 3D effect. Don't forget to choose a background color that complements your design. Now, add your title, subtitle, a line, and a short description. Arrange them neatly so your slide looks professional and balanced. Duplicate the slide. Go to Transition, Morph. On the first slide, move some shape and text slightly outside the slide. Now, when you play the slideshow, the morph transition creates a smooth cinematic animation between slides. Click on Slideshow. From current slide to see your final result, you will notice a clean modern design with smooth animation. And that's how you can transform simple shape and image into a professional eye-catching PowerPoint slide with layer shape, fragment, shadow, and morph transition. Your slides will look like they were made by designer. If you enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. And if you want the ready to use template, check the description for the download link.